Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share my daily analysis about markets. First of all, I just wanna let you know that there is no any investment advice. They're all my personal opinion, personal thoughts. So if we agreed on it, let's move on. There is have drops in markets. Currently, there is have drop in market, in crypto market. The reason for these drops is Trump, as usual. This is our first reason. He always keep talking about taxes, Greenland, and he not shut his mouth. That's why yesterday also he made something. He said to Europe that he gonna make some taxes for them. But the things Europe didn't eat that. They answered back and they said they will stop their trade then. So Trump stepped back. As usual stuff. He makes some taxes. When there's some reply, he just step back. We know it already. But there's have another issue which caused these drops is Trump number 2. This lady making some kind of manipulation because they have some election soon mean tomorrow there's a BOJ. That's why she trying to make everything whatever she can. She throwing some money to their citizens. She trying to manipulate everything. That's why Japanese bond surged. So that's why we are waiting to make some decision. Market waiting to make some decision to the BOJ. When we got in BOJ, when we got stable interest rate, then we will decide our direction and we will rise for sure. If there is no other things, war or something else, because God knows what happened tomorrow. So, I want to start with total market cap. As you see, there have dropped till 2.91, but this is good support. That's why when price dropped there, it made some rejection. And as you see here, where is my tool? Yes. As you see here, there is have some triangle. So I believe that when interest rate came stable, it will make some rises and it will squeeze more, maybe one more drop, and it will rise till 2.15. Let's make 15. This is our next step. Next station. But the things, it might not rise straight away, it might zigzag movement, that's okay, but I believe that after BOJ it will go rise. So if it rise, all market will get some advice from that. I wanna show before then rest the gold, because the things, gold and silver was pulling all the market. Everybody think this is the safest zone. That's why they made some investment on gold and silver. That's why it's rise, keep rise, like it felt like no eternity, but of course there is have. So it's just dropped down from 4,800 plus. And when it dropped down, market get kind of stable, let's say like that. So the things to see some good movement in market, we need to see some drop, and at least we need to see some drop till 4,600, but it's not gonna come straight. That's why we need to make some two top and with lower high. When price make this, when price came that level, after we will see retest and drop down till 4,600. When it's happened, it will help Bitcoin so much, because whoever escaping from gold, they will see Bitcoin as a safe area, basically like that. Also, as you see in silver, make same movements. I believe that when silver drop down, it might make just rise and it would drop down 85 if BOJ came as we expect. And if there is no other problem, I believe that silver will drop 85. And when it drop 85, Bitcoin will keep rise same as gold. So, and also, let me see others. Others important because, when we are checking altcoin, especially for them, it give us direction because it's estimate of all of them. So when we see some movement here, we will know that altcoin will, kind of rise. I mean good movement. So as you see, that also makes some kind of triangle, but the good things, when we see that, we see there's a support zone and it was holding the price. It tried that 200 billion again and again, but it kept rise. That's very positive. And I expect from this, it might be just drop a little bit, make zigzag movement, but end of the story, I believe that others will reach 213 billions and with just, almost 4%. But this 4% will look in altcoin 3x, 2x, something like that. That's good. So what about Bitcoin? It's dominance, by the way. Yes, Bitcoin working in the channel and is rejected from 0.5, but does not matter now. I see same scenario in Bitcoin. As you realize, all of them make some kind of triangle, but the important things, it's making higher low. It keep repeating higher low. That's good. So when we get this interest news, we can be sure about the rise. So I see same triangle as well, like that. And I expect some rises on Bitcoin, at least, 94k. So actually I expect more, but I'm telling just next stage. So but there's also one thing I need to let you know. If everything came negative and if Bitcoin not decided to rise, it decided to drop, I believe that after, where is it? After 87, it will drop down sharply to the 82,200, I can say. Let me just mark it for you. So let's just move that too. So this is bad scenario, but when we're talking positive scenario, we also need to talk about the bad scenario because we're making long and short. So if things just went opposite, we can decide to what to make. Basically like that. So what about Ethereum? It's making cancer for everyone. When I see Ethereum, actually it surprised me because it's really trying to support their line. As you see, there is have too many rejection on some certain points. Why it cannot click that line, I don't know. Yes, trading view makes sometimes, that's okay. So when I see same as rest of them, I see higher low and I see some squeeze, but good things, it's not dropping more than this level. There is a break, there's a weak spot. It's not really matter as long as body top of it. That's good signal. So when it makes some rises, after that level, let me just mark it. After that level, I'm expecting some rise from Ethereum till 3,300. So we can consider to make some position after that breakup. let's check the BNB. We had some boxes in BNB, but it's already give, like almost 70% of it. If market goes bad, it might make some movement inside of that box, but it's not so warranty so far. That's why it's better to skip it. You don't have to make some things in every moment. Sometimes you need to wait for right time. That's why we will keep that. So BCH. In this coin, I will tell you one thing. I see there is one channel. I will make it that. Let me just fix it. Some things like that. So I'm expecting from Bitcoin Cash, after this breakup, this channel, it will rise same height as previous channel. It's usually like that, because when you see it has some kind of style, I can say. I will preview that. Look at it. So I will not make all of them, but as you see, this coin always makes some movement with channel. When there is some breakup, it rise same as previous height, like a flag or channel, and it's going like that. This is the style of that coin. Some coin has some style, and this is what it is. So that's why it's not going to be big surprise if when it break up it will rise that much. That's understandable. And when it rise, I can expect a rise. And it's not surprise, it came exactly that zone. So I can make some position for it, just for myself. Such a English. Where is my long? So I'm not gonna make exactly after breakup. I'm gonna, yes, after this it's healthy, because there is have some rise. If it break up that previous high, it will be safe. So I can make some things like that. 5% is good, yes. And I can make stop over here, because when it came there, it will, it will make some drop anyway. So I am talking with myself. I'm 100% sure it's gonna happen. It's not. If it's not gonna happen, just call me. I'll share my number. There's have. Let's make 2. Actually, I believe that it will rise that till that place. If you're pro, you can consider that, but if you're not, just it's better to leave early. It's gonna give 5%, and with leverage is very good. I'm gonna open this position. I believe that it will happen, and we will see at our next videos. Let's say videos, because it's not broadcast yet. So let's move to Solana. And in Solana, I can consider it same like Bitcoin Cash. It need to break this line. When it's break up, I believe that after this top, it will also give some percentage for us. So I can make it. Where is it? And the things, Solana keep drops, is didn't rise as much as others coins. So I'm expecting some, massive movement from that. This is not massive so far, but I mean, generally. So I can open a position over here as well. So when it's break up, let's make 33 and till 139. So yes, it also almost giving 5%, 4.9. That's good. With 2-3x you can make it double, triple, but I suggest you to make some 2x in this market, because it's just market not decided yet, so it's best option. Earn just little, even it's gonna give 10%, but let's say little. Just market. This is our entry price, this is target point, and I can put like that. This is our stop loss. So I made it down of this level because for sure it will get some rejected over here. What else? XRP. So XRP also makes a movement. There's a one down line. When, let me fix it. When XRP break up that line, that down line, it will also make some movements, same like Solana. That's why I wanna make some position over there. Where to go? First of all, not close that area. Yes, let's make it like that. I think it will rise that. Let's make 25. That's okay. That's even too much for you guys, please. And 19. Let's make it like that. Okay. So when it makes a breakup, I expect from XRP, some rises, and there's 12% is too much for you. Let's make it this as our previous top. So it's at least it will reach that, even if gonna rise after, that's okay. 8% is pretty fair for us. So I can say this is our entry price. Let's make it 9. Yes, better. And this is our target point, and we can make some Is that too much? Yeah, kinda. If it's dropped till here, it will make drop anyway, so just make it like that. So I think that's it so far. So of course we will see some movement inside of total market cap when we get this data from Japan, and I know there will be some rises, then we're gonna earn some things. So far that's it for today. I hope you like that video. I hope you like my analysis. So when you earn some money, I know you're gonna be addicted to my channel. Anyway, let's see you tomorrow.